Today we got a video from Blue Line Body Cam, and the title of the video is Man Learns a Painful Lesson About Who's in Charge.
This man is going to ignore every single order that these cops give him.
No! Don't touch me, dude.
Give me another one.
Cops pulled over this car when he did a U-turn in the middle of traffic, almost causing a collision. He is going to be immediately aggressive with the cops.
Get out of my car! Get your hands out of my car! Can I help you?
Yes? You just did a U-turn there and almost caused an accident.
I did not.
Go ahead and hop back. Go ahead and hop back in the vehicle.
No.
Hop back in the
I did
vehicle.
not.
Hop back in the vehicle.
I
I'm
did
not going to
not.
ask you again.
Excuse
hop
me,
back
sir.
in the vehicle.
Pardon
Get
me.
back in the car.
Pardon me.
I'm not talking to you until you get back in the car and get your
No.
hands out of your pockets.
Hands on.
Hop back in the vehicle.
Look,
Hop
dude,
back in the
I
vehicle.
didn't do anything. I did not do a U-turn.
You almost caused an accident.
I did not
You didn't hear everybody laying their horn at you?
I did not do a U-turn.
Go ahead and hop back in the car.
I did not do a U-turn.
Hop back in the car.
I did not do a U-turn.
Hop back in the car.
No.
Hop back in the car.
Look, man.
Hop in the car.
What's your problem?
You want to get out, you want to act crazy. Get back in the car. That's not how this
Nobody's
works.
asking crazy.
Hop in the car.
How it
Hop
works
in the car,
is
give me
we're
your
having
license
a conversation.
and your insurance.
We're having a conversation.
Step back here.
No.
Go ahead. Step.
No! Don't touch me, dude.
Give me another one.
I need an.
Get over here. I'm the sergeant. Get over here.
No.
Get over here.
No,
You're
sir.
making this harder than it has to be.
No.
Get over here.
I'm asking
Turn
you
around.
a
Put your hands
question.
behind your back.
No.
Turn around.
Don't
you're
you
about to get
dare.
taken down. Turn around and get your hands behind your back.
Don't you dare.
You're making this way harder than it has to be.
Look, man.
Hop over here then. Walk to my car. I'm not asking you again.
What's your problem?
No,
What's your
you get back in the car.
What's
Get back
your
in the
problem,
car.
dude?
We pulled in across the street. Come back here. You're
What's
making
your
this.
problem?
I'm not going to tell you again.
Don't
I'm not going to tell
touch
you
me.
again.
Again.
I'm not going to tell you again.
Get in the car, please.
I tried to get in.
Now you're just you're acting disorderly now. You're
Excuse
walking
me.
a fine line.
Fine
You're walking
line,
a
huh?
fine line.
You're walking a fine line.
Okay,
Get
we'll
in
see
the
about
car.
that.
I will, come on.
License and insurance.
Yeah.
Sir,
Go ahead and hop back in the car.
I will,
It's
I will.
okay.
please.
Where's your supervisor?
He's right here. You're talking to him.
No. I want your supervisor.
License and insurance.
Excuse me 1 second, please.
License and insurance. How many times do I have to ask you?
Can I help you?
You start the
Yes,
same
can I have your
BS
license
with me.
and registration?
No.
Okay, step out of the car
I'd like
then.
to ask you a question.
Step out of the car then. You almost caused an accident.
I did not
You literally
cause
pulled
anything.
in over there and then you cut across into here.
I did
A car
not
almost T-boned
pull
you.
anywhere.
License and insurance.
I ain't gonna lie. You know I gotta keep it 100, man. I gotta keep it 1,000. You know, look. Imagine if that was me. I'm gonna tell you, there's a couple of things that's different here, right? We see black people act like this, right? We're getting a switch up, right? There's a white person acting like this. Now, when it first happened and he hopped out of the car, right? And he was talking or whatever, and I'm thinking, damn, well, the first thing the officer would say to somebody else is, get back in the car. But the sergeant does end up saying that. So I'm like, okay, boom. All right, cool. We on point. But do you see how he was able to, he's been dictating this whole scenario where I'll give you a prime example. Get in the car. No. The lady comes, or he said, and then the officer says, okay, well, step to the back of my car or step to my car. No. Then the lady comes, she says, get in the car. And then the officer was like, well, hey, all right then. So get in the car, license and registry. What? Who's in charge here? If you say something, stand on it. At first, get in the car. No? Okay. Maybe I'll let you slide. This cop might be a nice guy. I might let you slide. Step to the back of my car. That's the second refusal of one of my requests. I'm gonna get you together. You're not dictating nothing over here. This guy should be in handcuffs and already in the back of your car. Facts. That's how that should be. This guy is dictating everything. Get him together. Don't give him no passes. Nothing. He's acting wild, unruly, like an animal, not following instructions. There's dogs that follow better instructions than this guy, man.
I
Or
was
step out of the
driving
car.
down the road. I saw some spots.
License and insurance, or step out of the car.
How many ultimatums are you giving them, man? There's no ultimatums. Get out the car. We're past the license and registration, if that's me.
I did not do a U-turn.
License and insurance, or step out of the car.
I did not do a U-turn.
Okay, what did you do to almost cause a pile up there?
I did not cause anything.
Okay, you didn't hear 15 cars lay on their horn?
15 now, huh?
Everybody hit their horns behind you because you almost...
15?
All right.
There was one car behind
Step
me.
out.
Don't.
Step out.
Don't. Get your hand out of here. Get your hand out of my car.
We're done now.
You damn hunk of junk.
What are you saying you do?
Get out.
You're
Do
gonna...
it. Do it. Do it. Do it, man.
Go ahead and unlock this.
Do it. No. No.
Get the off of me right now.
Dude, get your hand off of me.
Get your hand off me, or I'm gonna break your goddamn hand.
Man, I didn't do anything. I did not do anything, and you cannot get into my car. I don't give you
What is she
permission.
doing?
You're under arrest.
I don't give you permission to get into my car. Get out of my car.
Charlie.
I don't. Absolutely.
Exactly. This is now we talking. Get his ass together. And why the ladies always feel like they gotta step in the man's business? Nah, it's over with. This guy is step back. Get his dumb ass together.
Why didn't you just get out of your car when you were told?
No, he got out, was causing issues.
No, I asked you a question.
It's locked up. I got it.
I hit my camera over it.
Yeah. Come on. Do it. Come on, you asshole.
Charlie.
Stop playing. What are you doing?
Stop
What are you
resisting.
doing?
Stop. Move your hands over.
Man, twist his fucking
Stop
wrist, man.
resisting.
I'm not. I put my hands together so you had them, dude.
No, you were holding them together.
Yes, so you had them.
Can I have his phone?
You're unbelievable.
Back my car.
You're freaking unbelievable.
Sorry, I can't find you.
No, you're good. You're good. Well, because he just kept driving around.
Okay.
Stop pushing. You guys are unreal.
I'm gonna grab, you got grass or a twig in your,
And
Can you find my glasses? Sit in the screen.
look at me for a second. You got prickles. Do you care if I grab them off your face?
You know what? You guys don't give a about anything.
Leave him be.
leave. Yeah. What kind of shit is this? Yeah. Leave him.
Yeah, he can have this.
Is that your husband?
He is my
What?
What's his problem?
What? And I'm sorry, I didn't mean to yell at you. We'll step over here and talk.
Charlie.
I'll let you talk to him in a minute. Let him cool off.
We, honestly, we're trying
married
to
to this
find a
guy?
I swear.
Okay.
We went to go to eat. That's why he turned around like this.
Okay.
Now, when he gets hungry, he gets low sugar problem. That's why.
Do you think he needs an ambulance
to
for
eat.
anything?
Not ambulance. He needs to eat. That's why he's the way he is.
Well, if he would have just talked to me instead of
I-
getting
that's
out
why
and
I was-
approaching me like that, that's a problem.
That's why I was trying to talk to you when I got out.
Okay.
But
Well, I was too focused on him and his hostile behavior and his demeanor.
He doesn't have anything. I mean, honestly.
Do you need out or something?
No, actually, so I'm in charge over here
Okay.
today, and my boss is gone. So I'm the boss, and we own over here. So I was just coming over to see
Okay.
what was going on.
Yeah,
Okay, we'll
we're
talk
all
to you in
good.
a second. I just
Awesome,
wanted to
thank
make
you.
sure.
Thank
No,
you.
I just wanted to
Perfect.
make sure you didn't need out.
I'll need his license. I'll need. Does he have the insurance for the
We
vehicle?
do have insurance.
Okay.
Can we solve it peacefully?
No, not after that.
Sir, honestly, he just needs to eat.
If you would have been a grown-up about it, you guys would have been on your way already.
I understand. I understand.
No reason to
All
say it
right,
like
so
that.
stop talking. Just get the information, man.
Thank you.
How long is this going to take?
Oh, he's going to
He's gonna go to jail.
He's going to jail, yes. He'll be in Sandusky.
It's in Sandusky.
Erie County Jail's in
Oh, the
Sandusky.
way there?
Yeah, we don't
Yeah, it's like
we don't
30
have
minutes that way.
we don't have a county, we don't hold them here in Vermillion.
Hi, man. You need an ambulance or anything? Do you need an ambulance or anything?
What's your problem?
I'm just checking on you. Do you need an ambulance or anything?
What law did I break and who did I hurt?
So I'm going to read you your rights, okay?
What law?
You have the right to remain silent.
Did I break?
Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before
What
we ask
law
you
did
any
I
further
break?
questions, and to have him or her with you during questioning. If you
And
decide to answer questions now
who?
without a lawyer present,
What
you
damage
will
did
still
I
have
do?
the right to stop answering at any time.
You
You
lied.
also have the right to stop answering at any time
You
until
lied.
you talk to a lawyer.
You
If you
lied.
do not have the funds to hire
Your
a lawyer,
camera
the
on? Has it been
appropriate
on the whole
authorities will
time?
provide legal counsel with you without cost. Do you understand your rights?
Has your camera been on the whole time?
The whole time.
Yeah.
The
I wanna
entire
see
it's
it.
still on.
I want to see
Your
it.
attorney can get it.
You're
You have any
unbelievable,
questions
dude.
or anything right now?
You're unreal. I did not give you permission to do anything.
I didn't need
And
your
you
permission.
escalated. It's not. What do you think? You're God?
Okay, so he's going to be going to jail. If you want, I'll take your phone number.
Nothing I can do. Nothing.
No.
It's
Yeah, there's nothing we can do.
Yeah,
at
there's
this point.
something you could do.
Yeah.
There's something you can do. There's something you can do. I'm gonna tell you right now. There's something you can do. Leave his ass. Okay? He sounds like an emotional roller coaster. He acts like this because he don't got no food. There's 4-year-olds that act better than this. You crazy? This is your husband? This is who you chose to be with? This guy? Like, and you sticking up for him. Oh, he's like that because he's hungry or whatever. You don't approach no law enforcement like that. What traffic stop do you just hop out the car anyway? That sergeant was super nice, super soft, gave him multiple chances, and he still ended up in jail. You know how many officers would have already had his ass yoked up, cuffed up, doo-doo-doo-doo, get you together. Lucky I wasn't the cop. Boy, what? You're not dictating nothing over here. Yeah. Is there anything I can do? Yeah, leave his ass. Cause this. Oh no. If he doing this to law enforcement, just imagine what type of emotional roller coasters he'd take her on at the crib.
You can go ahead and crack the window for her to talk to him. What's your phone number? I'll call you and I'll keep you updated on things.
I don't know if I can make this more clear to you, but hell no. He's going to jail.
We can't do anything.
Oh,
Like, this
wait,
is
hold
all
on. She
camera,
might be
this
as
is all-
lost as
We
him.
have a lot of paperwork to do now. We had to have a use of force on him.
Probably before it got to that point where he settled down.
I tried.
Your husband's acting like a moron, and he resisted 2 officers trying to arrest him. The obstruction, and you could probably almost push assault on a police officer. He should have never acted like that. He's going to jail. There's nothing you can do right now, at all. I don't care if you handed me a stack of $100 bills. He's going to jail. I'm just saying, there's nothing you can do. But you've asked me like 5 times.
there's
He does nothing.
bribe or anything that.
Oh, hold on. She might be just like him.
No,
I'm not sure
Nothing.
what you're intending,
Nothing.
but there's nothing that can be
Like
done.
anything I can do. Like
No, he's under
Zero.
arrest. Yeah, he's under arrest. We can't unarrest people. All right, let's go back.
Unfreaking believable.
Charlie was charged with obstructing official business, resisting arrest, improper turning, and reckless operation of a motor vehicle. He was sentenced to 6 months probation, $775 in fines and fees, anger management classes, and to write apology letters to all of the officers involved.
At Blue Line Body Cam, I
Apology letters. Yeah, funny, man. But anyway, anyways, man, yeah, he got what was coming to him. Don't stick up for him for. Listen, I don't care. You're in relationships, whatever. Right is right, wrong is wrong. Don't make excuses for his bad behavior. No. Keep asking the same question. Is there anything I can do? Is there anything I can do? When you keep asking things like that, officers may take that as a code word as, you know, can I offer you any services? Is there anything I can do to get him out of this jam, right? That's why the officer ended up saying, I don't care if you hand me a stack of $100 bills. It's over with. That's why he made that statement, because she could be talking about anything. She could be talking about money. She could be talking about, you know, some kitty cat. You know what I mean? Anything. Is there anything I can do? Any services? That's how officers look at that and take that. When you keep asking like that and they keep telling you no, wait, why does this chick keep asking me? Is she trying to give me some, or is she trying to bribe her way into getting them out of this situation, or what? No, this ain't back in the day. Back in the day, yeah, that might have happened. You know what I'm saying? Shit. You know what I mean? That might have worked back in the day, but nowadays, no. You got body cams, you got everything going on. No. And if I was his lieutenant, I would definitely have a talk with the sergeant, with the first officer. Well, he's not an officer, he's a sergeant, but the first guy that was there. Listen, you gotta be more, you gotta be, you way too soft, man. Who was dictating this? When I'm looking back, if I'm the lieutenant and I'm sitting back and I'm looking at the body cam footage of this incident, and I'm like, what the hell? What the heck is this? You letting him dictate everything. You tell him to get in the car, he say no. You say go to my car, he says no. Like, what? You giving him ultimatums? You doing all types? Hold on, man. I might have to call you in the office. What's going on, man? Cause I need you out here. I need you. Yeah, you gotta be serious, man. We ain't letting them dictate nothing around here. But anyway, that's enough of my ramble. I'm gonna get an officer's. I get an officer's 4 out of 5. Definitely not a 5 out of 5, but 4 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. And it's damn near 3.5. I ain't gonna lie. I damn near want to give them a 3, but whatever. I'll just be nice and give a 4 today. But yeah, let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.